Okay, we are back, and this time we are checking out the Kwikset Wi-Fi touch smart lock known as the Halo. This is a Wi-Fi enabled smart lock that's really cool. It allows you to set up passcodes and a lot of other really amazing things. But let's open this up, see what comes inside. There we go. Okay, so I have a quick installation information set up there. Like download the Kwikset app, install the lock, create your account and access codes. Pretty straightforward. Inside the box, we have the little installation and reference guide, how to activate the touchscreen, some installation and drilling kits, and then a step-by-step box setup. I like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's brilliant. So on here we have your latch, you've got your strike, you got your exterior pieces, your interior pieces, and your power device as well. That's really cool. For in here, you've got 2 primary things. Nice. So this piece, once you've installed it, when it's through the door, of course, you're going to connect these 2 pieces. And that's going to send data from the front to the back. Pin goes in place. That's cool. You've got your keypad here and your key. The thing I really like about the Kwikset locks, as you can see right there, that little hole, those are designed specifically to allow you to reset the pins to match your existing keys. So that's one of the annoyances with getting a lot of these smart locks, deadbolts and things like that, is that once you install them, you now got like 15 different keys for all the things in your house. But the Kwiksets are specifically designed so they can be rekeyed easily back to your key, and then you can swap them out to a different key later if you don't feel comfortable with that key anymore. Say, for instance, you gave it to somebody and they don't give you your key back. That's really a nice little feature about the unit. So you'll take this here like this. Pretty straightforward. So this unit is fully installed in here. You also have this battery compartment that slides in. That's going to provide power to the unit. It's got a little spring, you can pull that out. They say don't install the batteries until the lock has been installed, which is interesting. But yeah, so it takes just 4 AA's, which is really nice, really easy to kind of swap those out. And then this piece right here just slides out with the 2 thumbs. And you got a button here. I'm sure this is probably a reset button. You've got some scan code buttons for that. And then this is your actual deadbolt latch. But yeah, this is a really nice device. Let's go install this and show you what it looks like when it's actually on the door and when it's working. Also showcase a little bit of the app as well. Be right back. Well, hopefully you guys found that helpful, and hopefully you're on your way to picking up a new smart lock for your door too, and we will see you guys next time.